In this quick tutorial, we're going to explore how to see your Typeform responses. If you've been using Typeform to collect data via forms and surveys, you'll want to know how to efficiently access and review those valuable responses. This guide will show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps. First, let's begin by heading over to typeform.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. Once you've reached the Typeform homepage, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Make sure you use the credentials associated with your Typeform account to access all the forms you've created or have been shared with you. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This is where all your forms are displayed. Take a moment to find the specific form you're interested in. These forms may be organized by creation date, title, or other categories that you may have set up. When you've located the form you need, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the form's main page where you can manage and edit the form if necessary. Now that you're on the forms page, your next step is to click on the Results tab. You'll usually find this tab at the top of the page. Clicking on Results will allow you to dive deeper into the data collected from your form respondents. This section is designed to help you analyze the performance of your survey or form with various metrics and insights. After clicking on Results, the interface will change to display different options. Here, you're looking for the Responses option. Click on Responses to access the detailed list of all the submissions that your form has received. This is where you'll find each individual's responses laid out, typically in chronological order. This view is particularly useful when you want to go through each response one by one, ensuring you capture all the nuances of your data. In this section, you might also have tools available to filter or sort the responses based on different criteria such as date of submission or specific answers. Take advantage of these features if you're dealing with a large volume of responses and need to streamline your analysis process. To enhance your experience, Typeform provides additional options such as exporting your responses for offline analysis or integrating with other software to automate data handling. Don't forget to explore these functionalities if they align with your workflow needs. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Typeform responses. This method ensures you can easily navigate through the Typeform platform and stay on top of the data you collect. Remember, keeping track of your responses is essential for making informed decisions based on the feedback you receive. Thank you for tuning in to this quick guide. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Typeform and other digital tools effectively.